Good Sunday afternoon. Meteorologist Garrett Beatonball getting ready for work and wanted to give you a Sunday afternoon weather update just after 1 p.m. Our temperatures as we look here on the map are 86 degrees at Columbia Metropolitan Airport, 86 downtown, in the mid-80s towards Sumter, 84 in Newberry, 84 towards Winsboro and Fairfield County, and 84 in Camden, 86 in Orangeburg, and our dew points is how we measure the water content in the atmosphere. Those numbers were in the low 70s, so it's definitely going to be another muggy day. And when you combine the heat and the humidity, you get our heat index values. 91 degrees is what it feels like at 1 p.m. at Columbia Metropolitan Airport. In the low 90s towards Sumter and 99 for you in Clarendon County towards Manning. Always getting those high heat index values this time of year, and you're definitely experiencing that tonight. Now, where we see cloud cover across the state in the upper 70s towards Myrtle Beach all the way down into the low country of Charleston. You see 78 degrees in Charleston. They actually have a flash flood warning in effect until 3 p.m. You see this heavy rain moving towards downtown Charleston, and you know it floods easily, especially with high tide coming in at this hour. And so a flash flood warning if you're heading down there for today. But these showers and thunderstorms are generally moving from the southwest to the northeast, and we will see them pick up in intensity for us here in the Midlands this afternoon and into the evening hours. And so we could see our main threat being damaging wind gusts and possibly some hail as well. But the main threat is damaging winds. Of course, we'll keep you updated in the SkyWatch Weather Center. I'll be there all afternoon. But that's the reason why we have a lot of humidity in the atmosphere, a lot of moisture. The flow is coming off of the Atlantic Ocean. You see our wind arrows here coming off the Atlantic Ocean, giving us a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, all thanks to a high pressure out in the Atlantic Ocean. We call it the Bermuda High, and you can see the wind arrows going all the way out towards the Carolinas, and that's what's giving us a chance of some showers. And actually, I just saw a tornado warning pop up for parts of southern North Carolina. So that's the threat for them. The main tornado threat, if there is any, I don't think there is a lot, but with the outflow boundaries and possibly some of the sea breeze front towards the coast, that adds to a little spin in the atmosphere. We actually had an EF0 tornado preliminary confirmed rating, EF0 with winds around 60 miles per hour near Socastee in Horry County yesterday. I showed you that video of a little spiral in the sky on Watch Fox News at 10 last night. So this is the wind flow going off of the Atlantic Ocean, giving us plenty of moisture. And as we take a look at our 500 millibar heights, this is up in the atmosphere a little bit. This shows you that we do have some energy moving towards our area. They're just kind of rotating around this little upper level trough in the atmosphere. And so we'll get these little pieces of energy passing on by, and they'll give lift in the atmosphere for parts of South Carolina. And so that's why what gives another threat of some rain showers and possibly some thunderstorms. We also have kind of a stalled little front that's draped across South Carolina, and you can almost see it right now, but it's kind of right along here, and this may be actually what's kicking off some of these showers and storms along this little line you see me pointing to right there. But you can actually tell it if you take a look at dew points. You see drier air back here, dew points in the 50s towards northern Georgia, the upper 50s in western North Carolina. So that gives us a hint of where the drier air could be, and so that's behind this little frontal boundary, and we're actually ahead of it. So that's why in the Midlands we're a lot more muggy across our area. So that's the way it looks like right now. I wanted to show you another check of our Doppler radar just to show you what's going on here. You can see as we put it into motion, the showers basically going from the southwest to the northeast. This will pick up in intensity. Again, this radar image is just after 1 p.m., so it will be changing as by the time you watch this. So you can see some showers and thunderstorms picking up across the central Midlands there. We'll keep you updated in the SkyWatch Weather Center. Also, our model data for this afternoon, you can see here, we have, if it will get going for me, there we go. You can see as we go into around 2 o'clock, hold on just a second, as we go around 2 o'clock, it's going to pick up intensity, at least the NAM4 model thinks it is, and we could actually see this with the heating of the day. You see here, this is around, let's see, 4 o'clock here, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, And so these showers and thunderstorms moving up into western North Carolina might be a little overdone with this model, but as we back it up again, you do see some convection going on, some showers and thunderstorms, and so that's what we'll be dealing with throughout the day. Damaging wind threat and maybe some hail is our main threat in the Midlands. You could have a spotty tornado warning down towards the coast with a little sea breeze that adds to that spin again. But for us in the Midlands, we may get a severe thunderstorm warning. Of course, we'll let you know with mobile push alerts, and of course on my Twitter account at WXGarrett, you can always see that. But you see our rain chance as we go into Monday morning and Monday afternoon. Again, we have the showers and thunderstorms that are going to be in our forecast here. This is Monday night at 8 o'clock. We could see some more even in to Tuesday around the afternoon hours of Tuesday. This is 2 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. So says the NAM4 computer model. This is what the radar, it estimates the radar will look like. So that's the quick little update I wanted to give you right now. Again, a tornado warning in eastern and southeastern North Carolina. Not for us here in South Carolina. That'll expire later on this afternoon. But for us, we're looking good right now. Another check of our SkyWatch Doppler radar. We're looking good. We'll keep you updated in the SkyWatch Weather Center. Of course, you can keep me up to date on at WXGarrett on Twitter and Facebook, and of course Google Plus as well. If you have any questions or pictures, send them my way. I'll love to see them. So I hope you have a good afternoon on this great Sunday, and we'll see you tonight on Watch Fox News at 10.